Class 10th, after finishing the linear equation important word problem, now from today we are starting the similar triangle important question from NCERT. So the first question is 6.5, question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, prove that the 3 times of square of one side is equal to the 4 times the square of its altitude. So let us see the solution. So listen student, question 16 solution. Let us suppose the equilateral triangle is ABC and the altitude is AD. Okay student, so we will write here, let the equilateral triangle is ABC, I am writing in a short, and altitude is AD, and we need to prove, what we need to prove students? What is given in the question? 3 times of the square of side, means AB square 3 times is equal to 4 times of altitude square. Okay student, now see, in a geometry you have to make the strategy. Don't wait only for solution. Squares are given. Squares are given means we have to use the Pythagoras. So in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, we are taking ADB. We can take this one, but we are not taking, because in a proof we are seeing it is required the AB, not required AC. So we are taking this triangle. So this will be using the Pythagoras. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, using the Pythagoras. Okay student, now listen here, BD. In place of BD, we can take the half of BC. So we will write here AB square as it is, AD square as it is, because we need in our proof. So we will write as it is, plus this one is half of BC. Listen why. Little triangle, altitude bisect opposite side. You can mention the reason. In equilateral triangle or isosceles also, this altitude bisect the opposite side, or you can prove this triangle congruent, then by CBCD also equal. I think this will be easier to write. So this will be AB square is equal to AD square plus 1/4 of BC square. Okay, after squaring, now AB square is equal to, we will take the LCM, this will be 4 AD square plus BC square upon 4. Okay student, see it, 4 AD square plus BC square AB square. Now I am erasing this one because we have to write this here. Now cross multiplying, after the cross multiplying, this will be 4AB square, 4AD square plus BC square. Clear? 4 will be go this side, 4 into AB square is equal to 4AD square BC square. See, all sides are equal, so we can write 4AB square as it is, 4AD square as it is, in place of BC square. Now listen carefully, in place of BC I am writing AB square. Why? Because all sides are equal, so we will write here AB square. Reason, AB equal to BC equal to AC, given in equilateral triangle. Now this will be shifted here, so minus, so it will be 3AB square 4AD square. This will be shifted here, AB square, so it will be minus from 4AB square. 4AB square minus AB square, 3AB square is equal to 4AD square, hence proved.